Welcome to The Man in the Middle. I'm your host, Bill West. A year to 16 months ago, Catalyst Games ran a Kickstarter for a new version of Battletech, the Clan Invasion, which dealt with the invasion of the clans to the Inner Sphere. If you're a Battletech fan, you know what that's about. If not, look it up. This video is going to run long, and I really don't want to have to go into all the history. They were only looking for like $40,000 to help defray the cost of the game. Well, they ended up $2.6 million when it was all said and done. Well, today, be right back. Forgive the mess, I'm still working here. This is my portion of the swag. We're gonna unbox this and see what's in here. Hey, bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is always good. Lots of bubble wrap. Okay. Like I said, this one is going to be a much longer video. Go get some popcorn, get a soft drink. Woohoo! Okay. Now let's see if I can show this to the camera. This is my portion box. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start up top. Clan Kurita patch. That's the house I play in Battletech. For some reason, this was the house that caught my... There are 5 major houses in Battletech. The Draconis Combine, which is Kurita. The Davians, who run Federated Suns. The Lyrans, who run the... Steiners, who run the Lyran Commonwealth. The Liaos, who run the Liao Confederation. And the Free World League, run by the Marks. This is a Draconis Combine t-shirt. Okay, my co-host today is Rocket. He's the one you're going to see. Yep, that's him. He heard a box. Right, get out of the way, bud. And cup. Draconis Combine lapel pin. Okay, Draconis Combine challenge coin. Champions of the Inner Sphere playing character cards. 2 decks of other character cards. That's all I got. Was those? Okay. Probably got another champions here. Because you can never have too many record sheets. Scan those in and print them as needed. The Battle of Tukeyed map set. That was the major battle in the clan invasion. More and more. The clan invasion box itself, we'll look at that in a little bit. Card from Quartermaster Logistics, the people who packaged it. Battletech posters. Okay. Clan Command Star. I don't know if you can see it because of the chat. Clan Heavy Striker Star. Air Sphere Command Lance. Inner Battle Lance. Once again, I don't know if you can see it because of the reflection on the plastic. Battle map case. Once again, we'll look at all of these. It's probably got another deck of set of player cards. This is Mercenaries Inner Sphere 2. I'm surprised there ain't any clans. Salvage Box Legendary. Salvage Box Clan Invasion. We're going to go over these. Salvage Box Clan Invasion. Salvage Box Clan Invasion. Salvage Box Clan Invasion. Oh, we got one legendary. Okay. Clan Invasion. And an Urban Mech. Ah. Let's see, where's my dice? And these actually look pretty good. There's been a lot of complaints about the dice. I'm gonna have to roll them a bit. I don't see any. But Dracona's Combine dice. Okay, let's get rid of that. Tactical map case. Oh, I love that little container for dice. Make sure there's no. Yeah. That way you can take your maps with you over to when you play, not get them ruined. At least in transport. This is cut for the dice. It goes right on top. If we ever get out of this, we can play anymore. Alright. Be right back. Okay. Salvage Box Urban Mech. Is it gonna show? It's gonna. Come on, focus on the Urban Mech. Oh, that's an Urban Mech. Small city fighter. This is an Urban Mech battle card. A legendary. Let's see who we get. With this one, I would have gotten another legendary. Okay. Ooh, who's this? This is a Dire Wolf. It should be Natasha Kerensky. I don't know if you're going to make this out. Natasha is a mercenary of the Inner Sphere. Yes, Natasha Kerensky. She actually came from the clans, and now she had it. She was a spy for the clans, trying to see if the Inner Sphere was ready to be invaded. It turned out that their mission was changed, and they were going to protect the Inner Sphere. This is a Shadowcat Prime. Once again, I don't know if you're going to be able to make these out. I don't know if it focuses tight enough to get any details, but that is... I cut myself? I must have cut myself opening the box. Okay, so I'll get Prime. And a card. If anybody out there is interested in this, I was trying to figure out what this is. It looks like a ooh, gargoyle or a Manowar. Gargoyle Prime. One of the biggest mechs in the clans, up there with the dire wolf that Tasha Krinsky. As I was saying, they're doing a wave 2 and a late backing. If you're interested, I think it's Kickstarter.com. All right, this is a Mad Cat or Timberwolf. Joshua Ward. I don't know who he is. This was my favorite mech that came out of the clan invasion back in the 90s. Once again, I wish this would pick this up better. I hope all this fits in the recycling bin. Alright. It's a light mech. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry that you can't see the detail on these. Nova. Or a Blackhawk. Well, it has two different names on there. This one is the Inner Sphere name. One is the clan designation. I'm playing a couple of those in the Battletech role-playing, not role-playing, computer game right now. And last but not least, I'm really surprised I didn't get any Inner Sphere mechs. Loki, or Hellbringer Prime, as it's known. Battletech has been around since, I want to say 84, 85, when it was originally known as Battle Droids. I've been following it since about 86, when I first found the book Decision at Thunder Rift. And I haven't played as much, but I really have enjoyed the fiction, and I'm really looking forward to the new resurgence of Battletech. I hope to see. Oops. Oh. Okay. Let's see if that's any better. Okay. This is a Marauder, an Archer. Oops! And they all come tumbling down. Okay. Marauder. These are all Inner Sphere mechs. These are, if you want to say the good guys. Stinger. Yeah, Stinger. Valkyrie. I find these stinger, I'm not sure which. One is just a heavier version of the other. And an archer. I love the archers. I tend to play often, stand off, and just rain missiles on my opponent. More pilot card, mech cards, pilot cards. Ah, there it is. Okay. Clan Heavy Striker Star. I'm just random. I would do these at random right now. Actually, I should have. These are the pilot cards, mech cards for Alpha Strike. Oh, I got another gargoyle. Gargoyle, which we've already seen. Yeah, these are plans. Some of these I don't know the designation of. I don't really know that. I know the designation for the inner sphere mech's much better than. So we're just gonna. I'll just show these. Oh yeah, that's a mad dog. Or once again, because it's a missile boat. I know that one right off. Clan. No, let's go back to inner sphere. This is the inner sphere battle lance. Oh, I am missing some things. I'll have to go back and look for them. Okay, this is a rifleman. Phoenix Hawk, I want to say. I don't like the Phoenix Hawk. I don't really play it. Warhammer. Cards. What are you? Oh, Wasp. That's a redesign. And the last. Another Direwolf. I don't know what it is. Like I said, I don't really know the designation for some of the clan mechs. Looks like a Stormcrow. Shadowcat. Did I pull one of those already? Yeah, I did. There's two Shadowcats. Speaking of cats. And a summoner, I believe. Okay. And the pilot, Alpha Flight, or Alpha. That's Buttercup. She's checking out the goodies. Yeah, cut your foot, Buttercup. Okay. This particular cover is only for Kickstarter backers. The one that comes out to the mass market will have a different cover. I know people who bought both covers. Well, I shouldn't say I know them. I've seen them on Facebook. I was just getting into playing this again when the COVID hit, and yeah, I haven't played in like 20 years, and just starting to play, and everything hit. Come on, you can do it. Okay, here we go. Short story by Blaine Pardo. Excellent Battletech author. Some more cards. I'll put these back. Regular plain dice. Clan Invasion Primer. Put you right there. Right. The rulebook. Record sheets. The tables you need. If you don't have enough plastic mats, you can punch these out. Map at the bottom. Okay. I was going to say, why are they only doing a 30-25 map? This is the state of the inner sphere in 3025. This is the state of the inner sphere in 3052. Where are we going? There we are. And these coming in from Galactic North are the clans. We have the Wolf, Jade Falcon, Ghost Bears, and Smoke Jaguars. Those are the first 4 invading clans. Oh, okay. Most of these I've already shown you, so I'm not gonna. But I haven't shown you. Let's see, Elemental. Those are armored jump troops. Grendel. And Executioner. Now, I am going to be back. And I'm missing a couple items which hopefully are in the box. I don't know if I'm not leaving. Okay. I'm gonna have to make a mess, forgive me. Aha. Okay. Just going to make sure we don't have to go through here again. Okay. This is a Dagger Star keychain. Oops, I forgot to put the... And this is the Clan Codex dog tag. A codex is a genetic it's your identification, but they do it on a genetic level rather than putting information, your name, serial number, etc. on it. If anything happens, they'd be able to take this to a breeding facility and start off not a new you, but a next generation, which would have your genetics if you were worthy. If not, then you're out of luck. Okay, look at the maps real quick, or not the maps, I'll hold the posters real quick. I really wish I had some space up here. I don't have any space for these. I love all the swag. Okay. Now I believe this poster is the cover of the mass market edition of the box. It's pretty much based on on the second book. I can't remember the name in the Warrior trilogy. Is it Warrior? No, the Clan Invasion trilogy, where you can see an elemental right there shooting into the cockpit of a Phoenix Hawk. It's Mad Cat or Timberwolf. You can see the little man on top. That's the pilot. All the weapons. I'd frame them and put them up if I had any space. Almost 30 minutes. I'm sorry about this. Mech Warrior. I think this is the Mech Warrior Destiny cover art based off the old Mech Warrior role-playing game. And another Battletech poster. Back in the day, I was 25. I would have loved all this stuff. Yeah, another map of the Innister. Another Mad Cat picture. Oh, this Clan Homeworlds. I'll put that up with the Innister map. This is a map of the Clan Homeworlds. It's got the Deep Periphery, Legend. That's Buttercup. Okay, I really don't think I need to show you the map pack. Although, I'd be. Hopefully, these aren't cardboard. Hopefully, we can. So I would really hate to bend them. It'd ruin them. I love the map case, but I really don't want to ruin the maps. Oops. Oh, there. No, that's it. All right. I know this is long and rambling, but I just wanted to show off what I got. This was a pure, just for me video. I enjoy Battletech, and I just wanted you to see, you know, what I got. Okay, that's it. Now I have to put everything up. Hopefully there's space in the recycling can for that. Uh, I don't know my schedule for the week. I know that Friday I will probably be doing another for the kids. I'm looking at either Doctor Who or Doctor Who, Star Wars, or just giant robots. If you have any opinion, let me know in the comments. If you liked what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Once again, I'm Bill West, and I'm the man in the middle.